Hey guys, Lance here. Just wanted to show bed leveling. I was in the middle of this, and I have G-code that is helping me level it because in this version of the Ender 3 Pro, it doesn't have that in the firmware. So I just wanted to show you what can ruin your 3D prints. So as you see here, this is probably not tight enough. So we're going to go ahead and make it a little bit tighter. Let's see what happens. Still not there yet. Still not there yet. No. A little bit tighter over there. That might have been too much. No, not at all. See, that's pretty good. Now we'll go ahead and hit this. Sorry about all the broken plastic all over the place. But let's see what's going on. So, nowhere near. And you know, with this side, I think I have an issue. The spring is too loose or too tight, whatever it is, it's always causing a problem. But as you see, this is a tedious thing to have to go through. But just enough. Now it continues over here. In the center here. I never seem to have a problem with the center, which is odd. And it never feels like it's actually being tightened. Alright. And nothing there. A little bit of resistance. Maybe one small counter turn. That's good. Now it'll go all the way back over here. And again, this guy named CHEP, C-H-E-P, Filament Friday, he provides this G-code, and it seems to help, but see, now it's too tight. It's weird. And I've done this dozens of times, not even kidding. And it seems every time, it just is never perfect. It's like a chain reaction. You mess with it one place and it gets ruined everywhere else. So I'm wondering if it's a spring on one of these sides that are affecting it. So that's pretty okay. And I don't know 100%. Because when you look down here, for the most part, you know, they look fairly level. And that just could use a little bit more tightening, I think. I think that's good. And yeah, I mean, it's hard to say. There's some spots where maybe the board is warped, I don't know. And now see, we go back here and it acts like nothing was ever tight here. Nothing. Nothing. But if you look real close, I don't know if yeah. I mean, it looks like it's there, right? So it's hard to say here. So I'm not going to tighten it too much. Well, you know what? Let's just try this again. Okay, now it's too tight, right? You can hear it. Okay, so some resistance. Now it says it's done, right? But we're going to do it one more time. And let's see. Remember, we were just able to successfully go through there, right? So, watch what happens. Now it's as if I cannot even get the paper through. So, I gotta undo everything I just did. And loosen it up yet again. And tighten it up yet again. So, anyways, this video is to show you how upset I'm getting at the 3D printer and bed leveling. It's the most important thing to a perfect print, and without it, you have nothing. You have no print that is worth anything in life. So, yeah. In my MakerBot years ago that I had some bed leveling stuff, and it was alright, but it's all a pain. But yeah, it's almost worth to buy an automatic bed leveling system. But anyways, I just wanted to share the pain points of this. So, bye.